Okay, you guys, so one of the first things that we did to our guest bathroom was we added this beautiful bead board. We went, before, I'll put the pictures below of what it looked like before, but we added this bead board, and we did this probably for $100, and all we did was added this paneling and then this pretty beaded trim around it. And it actually goes around the whole bathroom. And I think it turned out so pretty. My husband did a really, really good job with doing this bead board in here. It absolutely is beautiful. It turned out way better than what I expected. I didn't think it would make such a difference in the bathroom, but it turned out really, really good. And I absolutely love it. I love the texture it gives the bathroom. I love the brightness that it gives the room. It just really turned out so gorgeous and so beautiful, and I absolutely just love that. Then the next thing that we did in our bathroom was we updated our mirror. Our mirror before we had was the large black mirror that we had in here, and we had that mirror in here for quite a few years. So I wanted to change it. The mirror I thought was a little bit too large for the space, and it was just too wide, and it wasn't anything glam or anything about it. So I just wanted to update and try to get kind of like a nice sparkly clean mirror that can kind of fit in the space. So I went and found this mirror from Home Depot, and it's a Moen mirror, and I think we only paid like maybe $69 for it, and I think it turned out just absolutely beautiful in this space, and it looks gorgeous with our bead board trim and then our vanity that we have, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Then the next date, I'm sorry for the light, I'm trying to show you guys the light fixture, but the next update that we did was this light fixture. We didn't want to spend any money buying a new light fixture, so we decided just to give our old light fixture a facelift, and all we did was we spray painted the base with some metallic silver spray paint, and then I took the little shades down from off and just cleaned it really good, and it turned out really pretty. And I think it was a good cost-effective way to add a little update to my light without having to spend any money, and it turned out gorgeous, and I love it. Okay, and the next thing I did was, I did this shelf, this little 4-tier shelf been in here, but it was very cluttered before. We were keeping things in here that didn't belong. It was unorganized. So what I did was I cleared all of that stuff out of there, and then what I did was I just went in and just kind of organized and made it more functional. I just added some tissues on there for the bathroom and for guests when they come over. I added some extra bath towels and hand towels down there. Then I also added, I DIY'd this little box here. I just bought this little $4 box from Walmart, and I chalk painted white, and then I added this little bling bead around it and this little bling kind of brooch mosaic piece on there, and just hot glued it on there, and I think it turned out so pretty. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It turned out really nice, and I just added some hand lotion in there, some additional hand towels, and then some paper towels for guests, because I have my decorative towels hanging here, and I don't really like people using my display towels. So what I did was I put some paper towels in this little box for guests to use for when they coming over. And then on my vanity, I just have this little Christmas tree here. That's my little Christmas decor for the bathroom. I really haven't done too much in here, but that was the only Christmas decor that I added in here. And then of course we have our handy dandy little soap dispenser, and then my kids' toothbrushes and toothbrush, because they're the ones who use this bathroom, so we have that there. Then I have my little wallflower from Bath and Body Works, and it's the scent Fresh Linen that it absolutely just smells gorgeous in here. Then the next thing that we had added to this bathroom was these shelves. Before, I'm trying to get a close-up of these shelves without, so you guys can see it. Before, I had in here, I had some baskets. Now the baskets, I don't know where I got that idea from. I thought it would be a functional idea to have those little baskets in there and kind of like, decorating everything, but as the years went on, it was becoming a problem because I wasn't able to store anything. Like, you can store things in there, but you wasn't able to like sit things in there, like your bath salts, and you couldn't put a candle in there or nothing like that, or any plants and nothing like stuff like that. So I wanted to change it. So I wanted to put some shelves in here. So I found these shelves, and it already came in the color gray, which I absolutely love. And they're at Home Depot for like $5 and I think 98 cents a shelf. And then the brackets were $6.98. So it was very cost effective to add these two little shelves in here, and I think it made a world of difference in the bathroom, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. I just love this little section here. It's probably my favorite part of the bathroom. And all I did was I added some extra hand towels. I have my Bath and Body Works candle, which is a blackberry merlot. I absolutely love the scent, and I love the packaging in there. I think it just added a pop of color to the bathroom. And then I actually added this plant here that I believe I got from Ross, and the plant container I got from Ross. So I added that in there, and then I added these little apothecary jars up here with some bath salts and some makeup wipes, and then I added some extra washcloths up there. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful. I just love this, love the whole bathroom, love the way it turned out. The next thing I added in this bathroom was I went ahead and added some additional shower rod. I wanted to add some height to the room, and I wanted to do something different. I originally had shower curtains up here, but it's hard to find really good shower curtains that you like. And I know this is not the first time that y'all probably seen this on YouTube or seen somebody else doing this, but people have been doing it for the longest, and adding curtain panels to their bathroom, and I think it's a really, really good idea. I love it, and it actually turned out really good. So I added these draperies that I had these draperies just lying around the house, and these are actually from JCPenney, but I wasn't using them in my living room anymore because my living room color scheme had changed. So I just had these sitting in my linen closet. So I said, okay, well, why not just go ahead and add it to my bathroom? I think it'll fit in with the color scheme, and it'll add a nice elegant touch to the room. So I love these panels. I love the way it turned out, and it's absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, I still have my shower liner there. It's absolutely, you know, just a little shower liner that I had before, so when they're taking a shower, they can still take a shower without getting the drapes all wet up. So I absolutely love that, and I love the way it turned out. Then over here, I added these beautiful rose-colored framed artwork that I got from Kirkland's years ago. I originally had it in my bedroom, but then I wanted to, I'm redoing my bedroom, and you guys will see an updated bedroom tour too of my master bedroom, but I'm changing my master bedroom, so I want these artworks didn't really fit in there anymore, so I didn't want to toss them because they were kind of expensive, you know, for what I paid for it. So I decided to reuse it in my guest bathroom, and I think it added a very elegant touch in here with the white flower. I don't even think that's roses now. I don't even know. I mean, it looks like more like a carnation, but the white flowers adds a beautiful touch to the bathroom. I love the framing because it's neutral, kind of like farmhousey, but not really farmhousey or whatever style, but I think it looks absolutely beautiful in this bathroom, and it turned out gorgeous, especially with that bead board and the curtains. I think it all kind of just matches and looks really, really pretty. And then my bath towels, I just kind of like, you know, kind of stacked them like this with the two different colors, the grays and white. It kind of matches my bathroom, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I love this bathroom. It just turned out so, so pretty. I mean, I absolutely love it. And it was very, very cost effective. Then my bath rugs, I just kind of put down some older bath rugs that I had, some gray bath rugs on the floor or whatever, but I'm gonna end up changing those out to some better bath rugs later on. But for now, I think it'll work. It looks really good. It's just a nice refresh in this room, and I think it turned out so pretty and so gorgeous, and it was a very cost-effective way to give our little bathroom a little update without spending any money, because who wants to spend a lot of money when you don't have to? So I think it turned out very, very, very beautiful, and I love it. I love it. And we did this whole thing, probably, it took us 1 weekend to finish everything in here, and it turned out so pretty. So pretty, and it took us like 1 weekend. My husband did all the bead work in here. If you want to know how to do the bead board and how to install it and all of that, I will drop a link below and show you the little video that he kind of put together with the bead board, and show you how that turned out and how he installed that. but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this bathroom. It turned out so pretty, so nice and so airy. One thing when you're doing your updates, when you're doing any kind of updates to your house, always shop your house first. Shop your house and try to reuse stuff that you already have, so you're not spending any money on anything. If you got stuff that's laying around in another room that you're not using it, use it in your use it in another area. You know, that saves you so much money, so much time. And then I hate throwing stuff away, like especially if I spend a lot of money for stuff. I don't want to, you know, go out and buy additional things. So I'll reuse something in a minute. I will take it, if it was in my living room, I'll put it in my bedroom, bathroom, wherever, if it fits, you know, so that you don't have to spend any money. So always shop your home first, and always try to, you know, do things on a budget. Try to do something, so the simplest changes can make a big dynamic difference to a room. You know, it's sometimes with a little bit of DIY work and a little effort, I mean, it'll turn out really, really pretty. And it's something that you did, you know, yourself. So you become, you know, you be very proud of it because you did it yourself. So that's our little bathroom update. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you want to see more of my content, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell on so that you can always know when I'm uploading the video. And to my returning subscribers and everybody else, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.